Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Roadtrek booth in Elkhart, Indiana. Now Roadtrek is a Canadian built product known for its history of building well-built products and having a bit of uniqueness. Now this is a Zion Slumber with the pop top. This red, cherryish red, is actually a brand new color for 2025. And we will take a little closer look inside. On a pop top, you do have 200 watts of solar, 600 watts of lithium battery pack, and they use an underhood generator that is a 280 amp underhood generator to charge those batteries up. So there's no traditional generator, making this very quiet in the campground when you need to charge your batteries or have that extra power. Plus, with the 600 watts of lithium, you can get somewhere between 6 to 8 hours approximately of running on the AC. Check out our How Long Will It Run video where we tested that on a Chase 50th anniversary. I'll put the link down below. But let's take a closer look inside. Now, the Zion Slumber is built on a Ram ProMaster chassis, so you have all your traditional automotive features up front. Your lane keep assist, your auto braking, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and all your safety features. Really nice, well-bolstered seats. The leather material is very soft and supple, but the seats are very supportive. Now we have a wet bath right in here, and it's one of the few wet baths in the industry that actually has a permanent sink. As a number of these B vans, the wet baths, you have to flip down a little cable to actually use the sink. Now when you are showering, this door will cantilever, and I'll kind of give you an idea from above. It cantilevers open to give you a little bit more showering space versus just using the toilet. As we spin around, we have a nice tabletop extension here, solid surface countertops as well as that extension. Good size sink, we have an induction cooktop, and then decent storage space throughout. Now when I say decent, it's because I do a reference to other types of RVs as well. For a B van, it's very good storage. Compared to an A, it's decent, but an A is also going to be much, much larger than a B van. Pantry, and these are all handmade custom cabinets by Roadtrek at their factory. Large double fridge with a good size freezer, and that's nice. That freezer is a really good size because on some of these Bs, they have mini fridges, and the freezer is just very, very small. I do like the stainless surround in the back because this is always going to get dirty while you're cooking. Microwave up top, and then as we make our way around, really good wardrobe space. Now all the cabinets are laser measured and custom cut for the units, and that just gives Roadtrek that extra level of precision when they're building. Now, in this layout, we have the rear sofa, which gives you 3 seat belts. It's a power fold. Now, right now, we can't demonstrate this. We've been asked not to for the time being, just because of the amount of power requirements with all the units around here. This will fold flat and make 2 twin beds, or, and they've got it tucked down here, you take this extra leaf, place it right here in between, and that will make an extra large bed for you. So you have that flexibility. Plus, it's all push button. We have our retract and extend buttons right up here for the sofa. It's all push button, so there's no work that's required. Really good amount of cabinetry. They've used up the entire length and space. AC, which of course will run off your battery pack, as what I haven't mentioned yet is that they run a 3000 watt inverter, pure sine wave inverter. Now, with the Slumber top, let's take a look up. You have this great little skylight above. Now normally there's a ladder for climbing up here. I'm going to just show you the space. This is a great feature if you think from time to time you might have your kids, your grandkids, or some friends come along. You could take that pop top, throw it up, and have space for your guests to sleep. And then if you didn't have the guests, you didn't need that extra sleeping, leave the pop top down and you'd never know that it's there. Roadtrek uses multiplex wiring. This is their control panel here, and that can also be synced via an app on your phone. Let's take a step outside. As I mentioned, it's built on the Roadmaster chassis. Now, I think this red is absolutely stunning. Definitely would be a color choice I would look at if I was going to order one myself. And here's a nice little touch on some of the details. Look at the shroud on the AC, painted to match, where so many times you'll just see it's black, which is the traditional color it comes in. Now, under the sofa in the back here, you could use this as some storage space, and then you have your doors that open up. Our table sits right in there. We have a storage pocket over here for additional gear. And then, of course, on the back door and the side door, we have screens that are both privacy screens and or bug screens because they're dual purpose. They simply drop down, zipper in place, nice and easy to use. You can check out our video on how to use these screens, as we did have an opportunity to do a demonstration through Bella Vista RV with a Chase 50th anniversary. Now you also get that screen for your side door. As you can see, it's mounted right up in here, and that just zips down and has a quick entry in and out, so you're not having to unzip. It has a magnetic clasp that you can just push it off, pass through it, and then it slams back into the magnet. And I say slam because that magnet likes to hold it together. Anyways, this is the Zion Slumber. For our viewers, I want to say thank you. If you like the video, please click the like button and the subscribe. If you hit the little notification bell, you'll be notified of new videos as they become available. We'll also bring you other videos of Roadtrek product. So thank you to you, our viewers. I look forward to seeing you back at the channel. Take care.